Ever thought of turning your regular photos into stunning animations that truly stand out? Welcome to AI Genesis. In this video, I'll reveal 3 incredible but free AI tools that will completely transform your photos, with the third one being an absolute game changer. Get ready to take your storytelling game to a whole new dimension. We're talking about turning your static images into captivating depth animations that'll have your friends and followers asking, "How did you do that?" Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves to experiment with cool tech, this video is tailor-made for you. Plus, we all know the struggle of trying to stand out in a sea of content. These tools are your secret weapons. By the time you're done watching, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to master 3 cutting-edge AI tools that'll transform your photos from ordinary to extraordinary. So let's dive in. First up is LeiaPix, the depth animation wizard. Want to give your photos a 3D twist? Enter LeiaPix, the magical converter that turns your favorite images into jaw-dropping depth animations. But first, we need a photo. I'm going to use this AI-generated image. First, upload your image to LeiaPix. Watch as your photo gains mesmerizing depth and comes to life in a way you've never seen before. It's like stepping into a whole new dimension. Now we have options to play with. Adjusting this will allow your 3D image to move faster or slower. This one controls the direction of the movement. This one kinda does the same thing as the first option. This one is interesting though. It adjusts which part of the image is going to move. By default, it's set up to balanced mode where the image and background move together. Check out what happens if I move the slider to close. And now to the far. See the huge difference in its motion? Again, this one doesn't do much, but 0.5 is the best setting for it. Now, this is to adjust the image's position respective to the canvas. You can bring it closer or make it go up or down using the axis, which you can definitely play with. Once you are satisfied with the result, just click back. And click here. You will be given many options to export it like MP4, Facebook 3D, or GIF. I will go with GIF. Select full size and hit download. MyHeritage's deep nostalgia, breathing life into memories. This tool takes your still images and transforms them into enchanting live photos that'll evoke all the feels. Mostly people even use this to bring their old photos of their loved ones back to life. But you can use it to convert any photo of a person into a video. Simply upload your image to MyHeritage and prepare to be amazed as your photo starts to move, capturing the essence of the moment like never before. You can download the result by clicking here. Now it's time to explore the best one from this list. But before that, if you're enjoying this video so far, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting AI content. Third and best of them all, Runway ML's Gen 2, your AI-powered studio. Get ready to unleash your inner AI artist with Runway ML's Gen 2. This AI powerhouse has 2 mind-blowing tricks up its digital sleeve. There are many ways you can use Runway ML, but today we will only explore 2 of those options. Again, all the links are in the description. First, we are going to use its image-to-video tool, which transforms your image into a full-blown video masterpiece. It's like turning a single frame into an epic saga. Upload the image here and hit generate. It will come up with something on its own based on the image provided. Here is the result. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can hit generate once again. Now, it's a bit better. The second way to use it is the text-to-video tool. But because we want the video to be based on our image, we have to select the same image and then click on text. Here we need to provide a prompt that should be straightforward describing what's in the image. Let's see what it gives us. Absolutely amazing, right? But it's not doing any motion. It's because I wrote standing in the prompt. Let's change that. Now, much better. It's like her moving in slow motion. It only produces 4-second videos in the free version. So that's how you use Runway ML Gen 2 for turning your images into videos, folks. Which tool are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let's spark up a conversation about the future of creative AI. Now, let's talk about how you can use these tools other than just for fun reasons. You can create social media or YouTube videos using these tools that will separate you from the rest, and there will be a sense of originality to your content. Pick up any niche that is trending and start creating content around it using your own creativity. As I always say, your imagination is your only limit here. Stay tuned for our next Tech Pack journey, and until then, keep creating and hustling. Catch you in the next one.